Myocardial infarction is the main cause of death in the adult population of the world. In the Americas, 35% of deaths were recorded prematurely in people 30 to 70 years old. In the Dominican Republic, only 2% arrive by means of the 911 ambulance public system. As part of a national early infarction treatment plan, for purpose, we will implement a generalized fibrinolysis and percutaneous coronary intervention PCI network for the acute myocardial infarction through the National Health System of the Dominican Republic. The program is oriented to decrease the treatment time of acute myocardial infarction in the population. Objective is to open the clogged arteries within 10 minutes of the identification of the STEMI if there is no PCI center available. The know-how will teach generalized basic cardiology continuing education course that is going to be the foundation of the system. This course will be imparted with cooperation of the Universidad Nacional Pedro Enrique Ureña, UNFU, at Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. The course goals will be to teach the general population to be able to early recognize the severity of symptoms should be a goal to save lives. The identification of such factors should be improved. Epidemiological basis of coronary heart disease, education and identification of early symptoms and acute coronary syndromes, diagnosis of ACS through EKG diagnosis that should not take more than 10 minutes. Thus, we created Código INFARDTO, which is a mobile application designed to facilitate guided diagnosis of a patient in need. It will be used as a learning tool with each class advancing to the next level skill usage of the app or program, including case simulations and video. Starting from a list of general symptoms, the user selects accordingly. Each one will be followed by a list of more detailed signs until the app has enough information to arrive to the most probable diagnosis. After this, a map will be displayed with the nearest hospital, which with detail of the contact and medical team equipment to rule out those that won't be able to help the patient. An option to contact the emergency number and doctor is added for further assistance. Código INFARCT will also include a feature that will allow users to see their location in real time as that of ambulances, other doctors, and or services that can be of assistance. How students will learn, learning methodology and coding strategies, online 1-hour presentation with sites participation of a lecturer that will address class with samples and graphic videos and simulations. Top down and bottom up, the lecture will be first part, explain cases inherent to the subject that it is being studied, top down. Then the lecturer will ask questions inherent to the presented cases so students can express their point of view and explain their answers, bottom up. Consolidation retrieval strategies, group activities during the class, the explanation of the material presented using own samples or words, consolidation, problem solving and answering of the solution of the cases with complications that have been presented in class. Retrieval, extrinsic motivational strategies, pass-fail recognition reward of the best group. Intrinsic motivation strategies, examples and stimulation of case scenario. Teaching methodology, student-centered methodology enhances extrinsic and extrinsic motivation case presentation, and students should answer individually and in groups. Collaborative learning. Assessment, group assessment will be 5 groups of 4 students in their respective sites. The final exercise will take place in a class reunion where each group will present a case and its solution, a gathering where students, lecturers, and teachers will judge the result. Overview of methods, lecture strategies. This course will last 4 weeks with 1-hour class per week, which will be equivalent to 4 levels, which will need to be completed to progress until the end of the program. The lecturer will have a brief description of the theme, approximately 5 minutes, then will ask questions, 2 minutes to answer. Individually, we'll review answers and ask different ones to talk to each other and come up with group answers. Final grading will consist of completing participation and having assisted in all four lectures, including final group case and solving group case. The grade will be pass, fail with a strong appraisal on each class participation. If a student misses a class, they will be able to watch a recorded video of it during the week through an online system.